Hi library friends, my name's Miss Vanessa. For those of you guys who don't know me, I'm coming to you guys again with another video of things that you can do around the house with things that you probably already have. And so I was going to come outside and do a spring nature walk, but it's snowing. So I think this probably is our last snow of the season. So I thought what would be fun would be to make some springtime snow that we can make in the house once it's not snowing anymore. So if you haven't gotten a chance to make a snowman yet, we're going to have the chance to do that inside. So let's go inside and I'll show you how.
To make snow dough, we're going to need two simple ingredients. Shaving cream and baking soda. I hope you didn't use all your baking soda for our last experiments. But when we mix these two together, it's going to create a nice doughy consistency that we can play with. So let's give it a shot. I set down some parchment paper on my table in order to create this so you guys can see what I'm doing, but you can create this in a cookie sheet or in a glass container or in a bowl, whatever works best for you. To get started, I'm going to start with 1 cup of baking soda. So you're going to want to start with your dry ingredient first because it's easier to mix a wet ingredient into a dry ingredient than it is to mix a dry ingredient into a wet ingredient. So let's get our baking soda in there. Okay, so I'm just going to place this down right here. And for every cup of baking soda that you have, you're going to want about a cup of shaving cream. But it's a little more difficult to put shaving cream in a cup and then try to put it into the baking soda. So we're going to eyeball it. We're going to try to get the right consistency. So let's... Alright, so here comes the really messy part. I'm going to have to mix this all in together. Alright, I'll check in with you guys when we're at a better consistency here. Alright, I've been mixing for about 2 minutes now, and I'm noticing that I still have really crumbly dough. So I'm going to need more shaving cream. If your dough is too crumbly, then it needs more shaving cream. If your dough is too squishy, then it needs more baking soda. So I'm going to add just a little bit more and keep on mixing. Alright, I'm back guys, and I had to change the lighting so you guys could see the dough a little better, but here is the consistency of my dough right now. It's crumbly, but also it packs together really nicely. So I have a couple things here that we can do. I have cookie cutters here. I actually have a snowflake cookie cutter. I'm going to pat down my snow dough and kind of just push it in there. Now I have a lovely snowflake I can make. There it is. Another thing that we can do is, like I promised, we can build a snowman. So let's build a snowman. How many balls do we need to create to make a snowman? We've got 1. There's 2. And then the smallest one for the head. I'm going to give him 2 eyes. There's 1. And 2. We're going to give him a nice messy scarf. And then I've got 2 sticks here for arms. Now, this is a fun activity that you can do at home when it's gloomy outside, but it's not snowing and you can't go outside and play in the snow. You can create your own snow at home. If you do end up trying this, make sure to let us know. I hope you guys had fun today, and I will see you guys soon with another science activity that we can do at home with things that we already have around the house. I'll see you soon.